Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on your NMAX V2. First, ensure your ignition key is in the on position. Then, locate the select and reset buttons on your instrument panel. These are usually found near the display. You'll need to press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for about 2 seconds until the hour display begins to flash, indicating it's ready for adjustment. Once the hour digits start flashing, release both buttons. Now, to adjust the hour, simply press the select button. Each press will advance the hour by 1. Continue pressing until you reach the correct hour. Remember, the clock operates on a 12-hour format, so pay attention to the AM or PM indicator if your model has one, to ensure accuracy. After setting the hour, press the reset button once. This action will shift the flashing from the hour digits to the minute digits, indicating you are now in minute adjustment mode. Similar to the hour, use the select button to advance the minutes. Each press will move the minutes forward by 1. Carefully adjust until the precise minute is shown on your display. To finalize and save your new clock settings, press and hold the reset button for approximately 2 seconds. The flashing digits will then stop, confirming that your time has been successfully set and saved. Your NMAX V2's clock will now display the accurate time you just entered. You're all set to ride with the correct time displayed on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.